I'm Lara. I'm in Year 12 from Queen Elizabeth High School. I'm a Gold Young Ambassador, totally hooked on sport, and I champion PE across Carmarthenshire and Wales.
Fy enw yw Celyn Jones, blwyddyn 12 o Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth. Dwi'n Llysgenhadon Aur oherwydd rwy'n hoffi hyfforddi a dyfarnu pobl ifanc a rhoi cyfleoedd iddyn nhw. Hefyd, rwy'n helpu trefnu gweithgareddau a digwyddiadau yn y cymuned. Mae Llysgenhadon Ifanc Aur yn bobl ifanc ym mlwyddyn 11 ac i fyny. Mae nifer o Llysgenhadon Aur yn Sir Gyfyrddin. Mae Llysgenhadon Ifanc Aur yn hyrwyddo addysg corfforol a chwaraeon ysgol ar draws Sir Gar a Chymru. Mae Llysgenhadon Aur hefyd yn arweinwyr tîm o Llysgenhadon ifanc eraill ar draws y sir.
I'm Ali Jones, I'm in Ysgol Borden Efor and I'm in Year 11. I'm a Gold Young Ambassador who has developed leadership skills from the courses provided by the programme.
Oliver Griffith Salter, first year, Coleg Sir Gar. Rwy'n Llysgenhad Ifanc Aur sydd wedi datblygu digon o hyder i hyfforddi Llysgenhadon ifanc mwyn cael mwy o bobl i cymryd rhan.
Sean Williams, Year 12, Bromerthin School. I'm a Gold Young Ambassador and have the ability to influence and inspire others to partake in a healthy and active lifestyle through the means of sport. The Gold Young Ambassadors increase participation and healthy lifestyles, as well as promote values of sport across the county. Gold Ambassadors work with the county's sport development teams to organise events and promote PE and school sport. Gold Ambassadors organise and deliver training for Silver Young Ambassadors, and we support these to be the best they can be. We attend a lot of meetings to make sure that young people's voices are heard.
We organise the Young Ambassador Celebration Day and also help plan the Carmarthenshire Sports Personality Awards. During school time, we organise and hold school sports council meetings alongside helping to run the lunchtime activity sessions.